Hello, I'm Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I've been buying and restoring old classic fedoras and trilbys for quite a while now, and I've been building up my own collection. More recently, I've started to sell a few because the collection got a bit big, and some of you have probably bought them on eBay or wherever they've been available. This has created interest along with the videos that I've done on YouTube, which have been great fun to do. And people have asked me, am I going to actually make and sell some hats? So yes, in essence, yeah, I've been out, I've researched equipment, I've bought equipment, and I've actually set up my own brand now. That brand is PJ Murphy and Sons. And I actually like creating hats that have got a sort of modern twist on the 1930s and 40s feel, a bit like this one that I've got on now. And what makes it that is the high crown at the front and the wide brim. So it's a fedora, if you like, with an accentuated front. As part of what PJ Murphy and Sons will be doing, we're going to be offering ready-to-wear hats, made-to-measure bespoke hats, and restoring classic hats of distinction, something I've been doing for quite a while now, and also repairing hats. All of us have got a favourite, probably seen a bit better days, and could do with a good reblocking or steaming. With that in mind, I'm going to take you through some of our new hats, and these will be available on our website shortly, but also in my Passion for Hats eBay shop. So Passion for Hats videos will still be going, and I'll be doing the restoration of hats as well as bringing to you some of the new hats that I'm making, so you can perhaps get some good ideas about what you might want, or indeed buy one of the ones that I've created. Let's start introducing you to some of these new hats. Here we have another fedora, and it's in this really nice green colour. I found this green colour on the Fepsa website, and I think for me green is in at the moment. It really is a nice everyday colour that you can wear on many occasions. And what I've made here is a fedora that's not so acute in terms of its height and angles as some of the others, but it's 100% fur felt, and it's 120 grams in weight, so it's actually quite solid. Probably can't hear that, but there is a bit of a snap going on there, which is nice. Nice brim shape. It's fairly classic in terms of its overall look. A nice teardrop at the top there. What I've done is I've used the brim trim in this lovely bronze colour, which I've really taken a shine to be fair. And then I've put the straightforward brown on the actual crown here with a classic bow, which looks really, really nice. So it's a nice alternative. It can be worn up like that, which is a fairly modern look, or it can be worn down as a classical look. But it's got a special pouncing on it, which I normally pounce these for sort of half an hour or more and get them nice and soft anyway, and this is really very soft. And as I said before, it's 100% rabbit fur felt. It's got some stiffening on the brim here, so it does snap down. The lining is one of our linings with one of our leather sweatbands and logo in here. Size-wise, let's have a look and see what the size is. I think because it was made for me to sort of demonstrate, it probably is my size, but let's have a look. It's a 7 1/4, which I guess is about a 60. So yeah, let's just try that on and just show you what it's like. So that's quite a nice sort of classic look, and with the brim down. And this will be up on eBay for anybody that wishes to have a look at it shortly. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.